Hey everyone, it's Cameron here with Tough Love. Haven't made a video in a really long time, and I want to make a video. I want to try to start doing more. I know I've said this before, but I want to make a video. I don't know how long this is going to be. I hope it's short and sweet, but it's probably not going to be. And it's basically about some dark times that I've had this year in my life, and what I've done to recently get over them and get back to where I was and to be happy. Something that I really feel I want to share with people, because I know that a lot of people are going through some tough times, especially right now with everything going on in the economy and just everything in the world right now. A lot of people know, some people don't. I lost my granddad the 1st of January and lost my mom the end of January. I lost my great aunt in February, and recently here, Memorial Day, the day before, on Sunday, I had to put my dog down of 10 years, who was my best friend, just like a family member, which a lot of y'all know. And I've been really struggling this year. Like a dark cloud's been over me and been hurting pretty bad, and got out of working out for the last couple months. Couldn't get out of bed early enough. Still doing things I need to do, but not been happy. Just been really down, really sad, and it's been a pretty rough time. And I know a lot of people are going through this, and I want to kind of explain what I'm doing, what I've been doing to try to get out of, or to get out of this. I'm not trying, I'm getting out of it. This last week and a half or so has been really a life changer for me, and I really feel like I'm getting back on where I need to be. So there's some things that I've done that I'm hoping can help someone else. So if you know anybody that's going through some trying times, or you are, please share this video if you think it'll help them. Because I believe God put me on this earth to help people, and I really believe that, and I'll tell you why here in a second. But the first thing that I've done is I never quit praying. I've been praying. I've been reading the Bible for a couple of years through and through. I never quit praying, and I've been struggling with my faith and praying for answers, and I'm getting them. I'm getting them as He wants me to get them, and it's something that's really opened my eyes. The other day I was laying in bed, and what really hit me hard was thinking about how God put His only Son on this earth, Jesus, and how He was the all-perfect, but how He still washed the feet of sinners and people less than Him and never judged. And if somebody that great, the Lord of Lords, the King of Kings, can go on His knees and wash people's feet, then why can't we do the same, right? Why can't we as sinners do the same? Why can't we give and help others? And it really opened my eyes to where, it's time for me to start living that way, right? To start giving and helping others and doing for others unselfishly, with pure love and pure heart. And that really, hit me hard the other day when I was laying in bed when that come out. So first, I never quit praying, and my questions are getting answered. Second, I hired a life coach a couple weeks ago who's amazing, who's really helped me understand my worth and understand how to get these things out of my head, and how to really be optimistic and know that I'm supposed to help people, that I'm supposed to really, I think my mission in life is to help people, to show people the way, because of the things that's happened in my life, throughout my life. One day I'll tell the whole story, but right now, that's something for later. So knowing that I'm supposed to help people, that's what I'm going to do, and that's why I think I'm going to post more videos to try to help more people, right? I think that's what we all should do in life. So never quit praying. Always believe, and if you have questions, ask them, and I believe that they'll get answered. Second, I hired the life coach to help me to know my worth, to get my worth, and understand that this is life. This is what happens. It's how you handle it and how you approach it was what's going to get you through it. Thirdly, what I did one day is I was in there, I don't know where I was at. I was in a mirror somewhere in my house, maybe out in my gym, I don't know. And I just sit there and stared at myself in the eyes, my own eyes. It's a little weird at first, but I sit there and just stared and stared and stared, searching my soul, trying to understand what's going on in my head. and understanding what I do have, and understanding that the hurt that's in me and what I got to do to fix it. And that really helped me. I've done it a bunch since then. I just look at myself and wondering if I'm doing the right thing. If I'm not, what do I got to do the right thing? How do I help? How do I serve? How do I give back? How do I love my son better? And do what I need to do to make my heart happy, and that is helping others, right? To give back to others. On top of everything else, I got custody of my son in April. His mom didn't even fight. I got full custody of him, and it's been a really big change having him all the time. I homeschool him as well. I work from home as well, and it's been a really big challenge, right? The whole change of him coming from, split custody to me, and it's something that I really have been struggling with, but I know it's supposed to be, and I know that it's the best thing for us. And to get out of that dark cloud that I am, I have to for him, right? I have to show him that there's, life ebb and flows. There's bad and there's good, but in the Bible, it's not promised it's going to be easy. But if you continue to have faith and continue to pray and do the right things that God intends us to do, then we can be strong through those down times. And that's something I want my son to see and to live by, right? I want to be a role model. I want to teach him about life and how to deal with life, but I want to be a role model for him throughout his entire life, even when I'm gone, and that is living by example. A lot of good things have happened this year. That's probably the best year we've had in our investment company. I really look forward to growing this tough love and hopefully getting like a mastermind going and just going out and helping people, right? And doing what I can to serve others. The darkness is real. The sadness is real. Where a lot of people are going through it, and I really want to help people get through it and understand that there is more to it, right? There is another life after this one, and we got to live, hopefully, our best life here to help get to the next one, right? To be in a better spot and to not, fear or worry about the things on here, right? As long as we're doing what we're supposed to do. And I'm truly happy. A week or so ago, my coach made me write. Everything was in my head, no matter what it was. It took me 2.5 hours to get everything out of my head, or for my mind to be silent. Not that I got it, but to be silent. And ever since that day, everything's changed, right? I'm happier. I'm back on track. I haven't worked out in a month. I finally started getting up at 4:30 this week. Finally worked out every day. I've been really positive, really thankful, really grateful for the things that I've had. Even with all the loss that I've had, I do tell myself I'm thankful for having 44 years on this earth, or 43 years on this earth with my mom, the 10 years with my dog, the 43 years with my granddad, and the others that I've lost, right? I'm thankful that I got to be part of their life, or they got to be part of my life. And it's really hard, and a lot of people have lost a lot of people and going through a lot of things. But you can't give up. I feel praying and trying to see God, and if you don't know him or understand him, I think if you just pray and keep asking, you'll find the answers. It's something that I've questioned. My life coach happens to be a Christian, and he's answered and helped me answer some questions that I've had doubts about. That's really helped me, and my faith is just getting stronger and stronger, and my love is getting more and more, right? It's just something that's helped me, and I really am truly happy. I'm truly positive. I know that there's going to be trying times, but at least I know now what I got to do to get through them, to stay strong and to have that support and have others around you, like-minded people to help you. And man, I'm really blessed. I'm really thankful, and I'm really grateful that the hard times came, I guess, so I know how to get through them and how to share them and help others through them, I hope. And to really truly love, selflessly. Selflessly. Is that right? Yeah. So if you know anybody that's going through some hard times, this might help. Please share it. please try to help someone else with this. You know, I don't know if this is too much, if it's over the top, but you know, it's something that's really been on my heart because I've been struggling this year. This whole year has been a rough, probably the the roughest year of my life, losing my mom to COVID and my granddad to COVID, which we can talk about that later. But I have some great people in my corner. I have my son that's in bed right now, who's the reason why I do what I do, right? And we just made a commercial yesterday for our company. We've sold another house. We just got another house we're fixing to sell. I mean, life is good, right? And I give all the glory to God because I know everything in my life all the trying times I've been through in life, I've always gotten through them no matter what. And questions are getting answered, and you know, the right people are in play to help me help myself so I can help others. So like I say, if this helps someone, if this helps you, you know, I'm glad. If it's not for you, but it's for someone you know, please share it, and maybe it can help somebody else. Like I say, I haven't made videos in a long time, and I really believe that I'm on this earth to help people, and this is what I want to do with this Tough Love brand, is to be out here to help and to give, and to do it with truth, right? To do it to be humble, and to do it with love, because I know people struggle in this world, and a lot of people don't have mentors, or they don't have the parents just like me. And the reason why I started this is because I grew up in a pretty rough situation. Dad's been in prison since I was 18. He's not a good person, raised me around some pretty rough things, and I've just never had that father figure or the people to really push me to be better, to do better. I've done it all on my own, right? Just because of the drive that God gave me, because I know I'm meant to be better than what I was around. And a lot of people ain't. So that's why I'm doing the Tough Love, right? Because I want to help people. I want people to understand no matter what they're going through, they can change their mindset. You can change what's going on in your life, but it's up to you, right? But you ultimately got to make the decision. But once you do, I really feel the things that I stated earlier will help you get to that mindset change, and that love and that caring, and to be a truly happy and giving person. So that's it. It's a little bit longer than I want. It's 12 minutes so far. I was trying to make it short and sweet. I hope it's not too long, and I hope this helps people. And I love y'all. Please like and share. And like I said, I'm going to try to keep up some content, keep doing some things, and hopefully eventually one day get a mastermind together. We can get a bunch of people together to help each other. So like and share, or whatever, you know, at least share it to people you need. And if there's anything I can do, if there's anything I can help anybody with in these rough times, or any questions I can answer. I read a lot, I'm around a lot of people, and I'm learning as well, and I'd love to teach what I've learned to help me get better, to help other people. So love y'all. If there's anything I can do, message me or whatever, however you can. And you can email me at truth@thetoughLove.com. And you'll have a good day. It's Friday. It's going to be a hot weekend, but it's going to be a good weekend, right? We're alive. We're breathing. We have an opportunity to be better now than we did 5 minutes ago, right? Or today than we were yesterday. It's all about your mindset, how you want to attack it, and if you truly want to do it. Look yourself in the mirror for a good 5 minutes. Search your soul, and it can happen. Love y'all. Bye.